Students, now you are going to learn special series. Special series means that is there are some series whose sum can be expressed by explicit formulae, such are called special series. So that special series, for it is we are learned previously, it is a arithmetic progression. For that arithmetic progression you learned the sequence and series, and geometric progression also you are learned series and sequences. For now you are going to learn this special series through some of the formulas. First formula, sum of first n natural numbers. Natural numbers means it is starting from 1. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. to n. That formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n natural numbers formula. It is written as sum of n natural number is written as this form. The formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Second formula, sum of first n odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers means that is 1, 3, 5. That is the odd numbers. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus the last term here 2n minus 1. That is equal to n square. So sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n square. So now third problem, sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of squares. Square numbers 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, etc. So their sum 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next formula, sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. For we can derive some of the formulas, sum of any powers of first n natural numbers using the expression x plus 1 whole power k plus 1 minus x power k plus 1. So that is to find 1 power k plus 2 power k plus 3 power plus etc. n power k. We can use the expression x plus 1 whole power k plus 1 minus x power k plus 1. In your note you write the heading special series, then you write the formula alone. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. plus n square is equal to, here we have to use plus, for here also plus. So next 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. For it is odd number. Odd number, what is the formula? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. n terms we will use for n terms, or 2n minus 1 equal to n square. For you have to take up to n terms or 2n minus 1 terms, because n is even, it is odd. For here we have to consider odd numbers means that is we have to consider only odd numbers. So that is 2n minus 1, that is equal to n square. Now exercise 2.9, the first problem, find the sum of the following series. For related to the sum we have to apply the formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 60. For 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. plus 96. So that is, for you have to use the given series. For it is the first we will see this first problem. It is in the form sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. For this first problem, for a given series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 60, the formula you have to write n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to n values here 60. So 60 into 60 plus 1 by 2. So that is, for you have to make cancel, for 1 2 is to 30. 30 into 61. So that is, you have to make multiple. 1 3 is 3, 6 3s are 18. At the last digit you write 0. 1830. First second problem, 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. plus 96. For now you have to observe this series, it is multiples of 3. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 up to 96, it is a multiples of 3. For 3 is common, you have to take outside 3 into, for 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 32. So that is, it is written as 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 3 plus etc. 32 into 3. So we have to take this 3 commonly outside. So that means 3 into, for this one formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. So that is 3 into n values here 32. 32 into 32 plus 1, 33 by 2. For directly you have to reduce one step. Now 1 2 is 2. Here 16 times 32. So after cancelling we have 3 into 16 into 33. So you have to make multiple 1584. Now third problem, 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus etc. plus 92. For this, it is a continuous number 51, 52, 53 plus etc. plus 92, but it is start from 51. So how you have to apply the formula? For we not have a formula for like this method. So you have to convert it as that natural number method. So how you have to calculate? You have to consider natural number starting from 1. So 1 to 92 you have to find. Then what are the things we have to neglect? That is 1 to 50. We need only from 51 to 92. So first you have to find 1 to 92. The natural number 1 to 92 minus, for we have to find only for 51 to 92. So what are the things no need here? 1 to 50. So 1 to 50 you have to remove. So that is, the given series you have to rewritten as this form. Now you write the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Now you have to apply. For this one n is 92. For this one n is 50. So 92 into 92 plus 1 by 2 minus 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. 92 into 93 by 2 minus 50 into 51 by 2. Cancelling 1 2 is 2. Here 46. Here 25. Now you have to make multiple these two. That is a 4278. 4278. For this is 1275. For this one multiplication, you make rougher column and write the 46 into 93, 4278. For it is 25 into 51 is 1275. You have to subtract these two, you get 3003. Fourth problem, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus etc. plus 225. Now you have to observe this series. Then are given numbers. For all the one is a square number. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, etc. 15 square. So the given one rewritten as a square of natural number. That is sum of the square of natural number. So that is 1 square. 4 is written as 2 square. 9 is written as 3 square. 16 is written as 4 square plus etc. plus 15 square. 225 is written as 15 square. We know the formula, sum of the square of n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N equal to 15. So that is, you have to substitute here, then you have to simplify. So that is, n is 15. So that is 15 into 15 plus 1, 16 into 2 into 15, 30, 30 plus 1. 2 into 15, 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. So you have to write for with this step, otherwise directly you have to make. That is n is 15, n plus 1 is 16, 2n plus 1, 2 into 15, 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. So now cancelling is possible. We have to make cancel. First 3 table, 2 times here, 5 times, then 2 table, 1 time 8. So after cancelling we have 5 into 8 into 31. You have to make multiple, you get 1240. Fifth sum, 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus etc. plus 21 square. It is like a third problem, but it is square of natural number. Sum of the square of natural number. It is starting in this given question starting from 6. But we have the formula starting from 1. So you have to find 1 to 21. 1 square to 21 square. Then what are the values are no need, you have to subtract. That is 1 square to 5 square is no need. So you have to subtract that. So the given series is rewritten as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. 21 square. Then up to 5 square you have to remove. Up to 5 square. 1 square to 5 square. So minus 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. plus 5 square. So we know the formula 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So for this series n is 21. So 21 into 21 plus 1 22. 2 into 21 2 into 21 42. 42 plus 1 43 by 6 minus, for here n is 5. 5 n into n plus 1 is 6. 2n. 2 into 5 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 6. For cancelling you have to make first 2 table 3 times 11, then 3 table 7. So after cancelling we have 7 into 11 into 43, that is 77 into 43, so that is 3311. 5 into 11 55. You have to subtract these two, that is 3256. Now sixth problem, 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube plus etc. plus 20 cube. It is a sum of cube of natural number. Sum of the cube of natural number. We have the formula 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube, but it is start from 10 cube. So we have to find 1 cube to 20 cube, then subtract 1 cube to 9 cube. Then we have to apply the formula. First you write the given question is rewritten as this form: 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 20 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. to 9 cube. For you have to apply the formula. For this first series we have n equal to 20. The formula is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. n cube equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So here n equal to 20. So 20 into 20 plus 1, that is 21 by 2 whole square. For here n equal to 9. 9 into 9 plus 1, 10 by 2. So now you have to make cancel 1 time 10 times. So here 1 time 5 times. So 21 into 10 is 210 square minus 9 5s are 45 square. 210 square, how you have to calculate? 21 square is, what is the value? 441. 2 zeros you have to write. 45 into 45, 2025. Now you have to subtract these two, you get 42,075. For seventh problem, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. 71. For it is a odd numbers, sum of the odd natural numbers. For odd natural numbers, for formula is n square. First we have to find n, because for it is a alternate terms. So how many terms are there? First we have to find. So n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. L is 71, A is 1, D equal to 2. So you have to substitute in the formula. You have to find n equal to 36. Then you have to substitute in the formula 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus 71 equal to 36 square. So that is 1296. For here, why we are first finding n, the number of terms, it is an alternate term. So you have to use the formula. You find n number of terms, then you have to substitute in the formula. Second question, if 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k equal to 325, then 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. k cube. For using this value, we have to find this sum of the cubic natural numbers. First you write the given 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k equal to 325. For it is a sum of natural numbers. So sum of natural numbers formula, instead of n we have k. So k into k plus 1, for it is k into k plus 1 by 2. So that is equal to the values given in the question itself, that is 325. So now we want to find 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus k cube equal to, we know the formula, sum of the cubic natural number, that is k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square. So k into k plus 1 by 2 already given in the question, 325 whole square. So 325 into 325, that is 1,05,625. Third question, if 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. k cube equal to 44,100, then find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. k. Using that sum of cubic natural number, we have to find sum of n natural numbers, sum of k natural numbers. First you write the given one, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube etc. plus k cube equal to 44,100. For this one formula, k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square. For this one, instead of this formula, what value is given? 44,100. So that is, using this k into k plus 1 by 2 for whole square equal to this. For this value we want to find taking square root. So now we want to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. k. Formula k into k plus 1 by 2. For here, from that given we found k into k plus 1 by 2 equal to square root of 44,100. For you have to use the long division method. It is a very simple number, well known number. So you have to use a long division method, or directly you have to apply 441. Square root of 441 equal to 21. So that 441 equal to 21. 2 zeros, so 1 0 comes outside. That means 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So 210. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus k equal to 210.